Hey guys, what is up? RedPandaMining here. How you guys all doing? I hope you're all doing really well and having a really great day. In this video, I'm basically going to be moving my GPUs and my mining farm, my little mining farm at where I live here, to my second mining location, which is going to be eventually my first mining location. And yeah, I need to take apart this 12 by EVGA P104 rig because there is no way that I can move this by myself to my second mining location. So I have some boxes there and some packaging that I'm gonna put the EVGA P104s in, as well as the other stuff, the motherboard, power supply, risers, everything. So I'm just gonna do that just like a vlog style, and you guys are gonna watch me take it apart. So yeah, I've actually already been trying to clean up this room already. You can see my shelf over there has some stuff that's already been taken out and already moved to my second mining location, and some stuff I'm gonna keep. And this table here with my editing PC here, you guys can see, is actually gonna be moved outside, okay? So outside my condo where that table is going to go, okay? So I'm not moving that to my second mining location. Everything on this table is gonna stay at where I live. It's just this room I need to get emptied. This table is actually gonna stay here. Okay, so that's actually gonna move up to the wall over there, and actually that shelf is gonna stay as well. But this test bench is gonna be coming with me outside as well. I don't have that much space out there, so I'm not sure if this is gonna be out there or not. I'm still gonna figure that out. But you know, I still need something here to test GPUs with my test bench here. Okay, so you can see my 5700 XT, beautiful card. Works really well. I don't have it running right now. Actually, I have mostly all of my mining rigs off right now. Actually, I used to have a mining rig sitting here, which was my RX 580 rig, but I've already moved that off, and that's already at my second mining location. And this is the 6x GTX 1060 rig, as you guys can see, but I have it mining right now on folding at home. And actually, I wanted to show you guys the stats for folding at home. Let me bring it up here. Team RedPandaMining for folding at home. We are top 2,000. Man, 2,000 in the whole world right now for the RedPandaMining team for folding at home. And we got a lot of people who have joined up the fight against the COVID-19 or the coronavirus per se to help out, to find a cure, basically, to find a cure on folding at home, as you guys can see. So thank you guys. You guys are awesome. This is what the community is all about, that we join together as a community to help donate our time and our resources to what we have towards any means possible. And I really appreciate the community. So thank you so much, guys. Look at that. Space Goat is #1. Look at that. 132 work units. That's crazy. Space Goats must be running something crazy. I think he said he has a 3950X CPU and an RTX 2080 Ti or something. And look at my GTX 1060 rig. It's only produced about 65 work units. I feel like that's not enough. But you guys can see, a lot of you guys have joined, and I really appreciate all of you, okay? So thanks so much, guys. Folding at home, you guys should go check it out. Okay, my friends, let's go. I'm now going to take apart my rig here. It's nothing too exciting. I'm gonna put my camera on this tripod here, and you guys are gonna watch me, and I'll do some talking while I take this apart, okay? So let's do it right now. But first, I probably want to take off the PCIe cables, okay? Now, I'm really scared to put this thing back together and have it running again, because I definitely know that I'm gonna run into an issue. You guys may have saw that grow tent video where I picked it up and moved it outside the grow tent, and that was it. And then I moved it back into place here, and something was wrong. And it was just a PCIe splitter. Okay, so all right, so I'm just taking out the PCIe cables right now, and okay, so now I'm going to unscrew all of these. Nothing too crazy. I hope you guys enjoy. I realize right now the whole world is in a panic, and a lot of turmoil is happening right now. A lot of people are staying isolated, which is great. I hope you guys are doing social distancing and all that kind of stuff. I think that's imperative right now. as you know what's happening around the world is crazy. It's really crazy, and I hope you all are safe. Okay, so I have all the screws unlocked. Okay, so now I can pick one up and I can take it off its thing here, off the PCIe splitter if I could. Oh man, oh, there we go. It was just locked. Okay, and look at that. There it is. It's a bit dusty. Can you guys see that dust? Yeah, definitely. I need to blow these out before I pack them in the box on the left there. Okay, so actually I'm gonna do that now outside. Okay, there we go. I just blew it out, all the dust, using my X-Power blower. As you guys can see here, look at that, all the dust is gone. It actually had a lot of dust inside the GPU. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that to the rest of the 5 here. I'll be right back. Okay, my friends, there we go. I have the first top 6 EVGA P104s off my mining rig here, and man, yeah, they were just really dusty, but they are nice and clean now thanks to my X-Power blower that I bought off Amazon. Link down below if you guys want to see what I'm talking about. I've shown it before, but yeah, really good. Here we go. Now I need to take off all the crazy splitters and PCIe cables and U-bit risers and stuff. Let's go and do that now, okay? Let's see. I'm gonna start on this side. I'm gonna take off all the risers, and I have to save all these obviously because I want to use these again. So that one's there, that one's good. This one these are all pretty dusty. Yeah, some of the black dust is not good. I'm gonna have to dust this whole mining rig. Actually, I may just move this whole rig outside and use my X-Power blower, air blower, to move all the dust. Yeah, you know what? I think I'm just gonna pick up this whole thing. Yeah, I think I can do it. It's a little less heavier now that I have the 6 GPUs off. So yeah, okay, I'm gonna move this outside. Okay, I have it out on my balcony here, and I just wanted to show you guys how much dust is on this rig right now. Look at, it's like 6 months worth of dust. Look at that. Look at the Intel CPU cooler. Pretty groggy. And yeah, the GPU's down there and the power supplies. Oh yeah, look at the HP server power supply. This is pretty dusty as well. Look at that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna show you guys the amount of dust that's gonna come off using this X-Power blower you guys can see here. And looks like the ambulance is going to go pick up somebody. That's so much dust. Okay, I have it back in its original place, and now it's just time to take off everything else that we have on this rig. Let's go ahead and do the PCIe splitters. I think that's next. I think I can, actually I don't think I need to take them apart. I'm just gonna keep them like this, so I don't have to worry about, looks like it's already connected together. So actually these are good. These are good. And same with these ones over here. And looks like it's just zap strapped to the frame, so I can just take this out. Let's see here. Yeah, okay, so comes like so. Okay, so now actually I can take off the PCIe adapters in the motherboard. I think that's imperative I do that because they are just a mess everywhere. Just a mess. You guys can see so many PCIe. There's 12 of them because there's 12 P104s on this Gigabyte B250 FinTech motherboard. Okay, so I unplugged the USB from the risers at the bottom, so now I can just basically lift these all up, hopefully. Yeah, like that. Okay, there we go. Holy smoke, I gotta save those. Okay, now what's next? I'm gonna unplug the motherboard here. So as you guys can see, hold on, we'll get a closer. I'll bring it down here. Okay, so we have some Molex cables, 4-pin Molex that go into the motherboard. So we'll need to take this out. So I'm gonna do that now. Oh, that's really tight. And this one as well. This one's just stuck in there. Alright, and we got a SATA cable as well. Gonna take that out. That's for the SSD. And the 24 pin that go into the motherboard here, that can come out. That came off easy. And now the 8-pin CPU can come off as well. Alright, this one's stuck. There we go. Okay. The motherboard is free. I'm going to take this off. Oh, there's a power button here as well. Look at this. Okay, I'm going to save that onto there. Just put it right here. I'm going to take off the motherboard now. Perfect. Oh. Okay, now the next thing. Whew. Alright, I'm getting sweaty. I'm getting sweaty, guys. And I'm recording this at the same time. The next thing I'm getting off is the let's do the SSD. That looks like this can come out easy. Okay, so this I'm just gonna put in the box. And now the next thing is the power supply. I don't think this is not bolted down to anything. So let me make sure. Look at these beefy PCIe cables stuff I did. Look at the cable management I did on these. Just terrible. Just terrible. Okay. Alright, so I think I can just lift this off and oh, no, we're stuck. No, we're definitely stuck on something. Let's see here. Yeah. Yeah, we got a cable that goes all the way down to the server power supply. Okay, so I got a... it's this one right here. Okay, it's the SATA, it's the 4-pin floppy that goes to the server power supply, just to acknowledge that when this comes on, it turns on the server power supply below. Okay, so now I can finally take this off. Oh my god, the 1200 watt Cooler Master. Alright, so that's on the ground here. Okay, so there we go, guys. 1200 watt Cooler Master platinum rated power supply, that's off. And alright, now we got the first top half of my EVGA P104 rig off. Now I need to unbuckle it from the other frame, okay? So they're just screwed in like this from a metal bar, you guys can see. So basically I just have to unjolt this one. I think just like a little bit, and I think I have to do this one as well. Oh no, that one I think it's stuck on just this one, okay? Now I have to go to this side and do the same thing. Okay, so just a little bit. Now I should be able to lift it up. Yeah, I can. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. Yeah, there we go. All right, there we go. Oh, the second Veta frame is off. I'm gonna put that off to the side right here. Okay, so wow, what happened here? Oh, my EVGA P104s just dipped down. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is not good. Okay, yeah, this is so loose. Oh man. Okay, oh, I guess when I was transporting it, it may have jolted down. But thank goodness it wasn't running, obviously. So all my P104s just dropped down on this Veta frame. Wow, this was not secure. This was not secure at all. Oh my god, terrible. Okay, my friends. Alright, so let me go ahead. I'm going to just take off all the GPUs, all the risers, and the HP server power supply, and the cables. And I'll be right back. I'll do this off stream. Oh my goodness. Alright, my friends, all done. The 12 by EVGA P104 rig is finally disassembled. As you guys can see, all the GPUs in their glory, not mining on my desk here, and all the PCIe risers, 12 of them. The motherboard sitting here and the PCIe cables sitting over here. I gotta go ahead now and I gotta pack all of these GPUs into the boxes here, along with all the parts, the HP server power supply you guys can see here, and all the PCIe cables and splitters, SSD, and the other 1200 watt PSU here, ATX PSU. I gotta somehow figure out a safe way to put all of these GPUs into the boxes, and hopefully when I transport them, none of them will break, none of them will die, and I won't have a bricking situation similar to my Radeon 7s, as you guys know, sadly. I really hope I can get this rig back up, but I'm gonna do that another time. I will have another video when I have my grow tent up, and my buddy's gonna be installing the 240 volt 30 amp breaker into the in the circuit breaker in the second mine location. Okay, so once that's in, I will start that project, have my grow tent up, and build my 12 by EVGA P104 rig into the grow tent. So that's gonna be a lot of work. I'm kind of excited, but also very nervous. So anyways, my friends, that's it for this video. Just a vlog of disassembling, and I still have to clean up my room here. I still have some other stuff that's laying on the floor, and I do need to bring to my second mine location extra power supplies that I got from Nerd Gears. Thanks to them, and I got an extra 1000 watt P2 sitting there. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good one, and peace out.